guys, in today's video I'm going to do a quick party makeup look or a date night makeup look, or wherever you want to wear it. It's completely your choice. I'm applying the Cetaphil moisturizer and then I am starting with a peach corrector. I forgot to apply a primer, so sorry for that. A peach corrector is very important to cancel out all the blue or the purple lines that you have, the purple pigmentation that you have. So basically under your eyes, if you have fair to medium skin, you can use a peach corrector, and then if you have darker skin tone, you can use an orange corrector. In today's video, I'm going to tell you a detailed experience about my journey as a pro makeup artist, from where am I taking this course, and everything that you wanted to know. I've been getting so many questions these days. So yes, I'm applying the MAC foundation in the shade NC37, and first of all, I will blend it using a brush, and then I will do the finishing part using a beauty blender. So yes, so around 1 or 2 months back, I got this email from Online Makeup Academy, and they gave me a beautiful offer that I can take up their course and share my review about them, an honest feedback about them with you all. I know that you guys must be thinking, why should I take an online makeup course? So basically, you should take an online makeup course because you can take it in your own pace. You can finish it as you want. Secondly, you get a personal instructor. So I'm applying the concealer as you see here, and I'm just taking very little. That's what I've learned. You can see the base makeup looks so glowy. It does not look patchy or dry. And I'm applying all the tricks that you can follow along while we're doing this makeup tutorial, and I'm quickly going to blend this. So I've got a personal instructor who clears all my doubts and everything that I want to ask. She's there to help me out. I also submit all my work that I do to her, and she evaluates the same. If you want to start your career as a makeup artist but you don't know where to start, I think definitely you should go ahead and check them out. I'm taking the Hoola bronzer and I'm applying it on my the places that I want to contour or bronze. So basically I don't do contouring as such, but yeah, I do use a bronzer. I'm using the Peripera Airy Matte Liquid Blush or tint, you can say, and you can see how I'm applying it. The base looks super duper fresh. One thing I really liked about them is that they have demonstration or tutorials for all skin types, skin tones. So I was able to learn makeup, how to do makeup on a fair skin, plus I was also able to learn to do makeup on a medium skin and the deepest skin tone. They also have modules for acne skin type, skin care, proper hygiene and sanitization factors post COVID. Everything that you need to learn as a pro makeup artist, they have it all. When you complete the course, you get a certification, you get lifetime mentorship from them. That is an amazing thing, right? They're there to assist you whenever you have questions. All the future updates, I just love this thing about them. No one else would give you these facilities. I've seen so many courses available in India, but I've never seen anyone giving you a lifetime course and lifetime mentorship promise. I've never seen that. Anyways, I'm applying the Mars eyebrow pencil, and you can see it's a beautiful pencil. Do not apply the color directly in the beginning of your eyes. I'm using the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and you can see how I'm using this. I was very shocked to see that they also discuss about skincare in details, which is an amazing thing, right? You can see I'm using my finger to apply this foiled eyeshadow because brushes are not able to pick foiled eyeshadows as good as your fingers do. Also, they have 40% pro card benefits discounts on Anastasia Beverly Hills Beauty Blender and a lot more brands. Temp2, which is an airbrush brand. By the way, guys, do you know there is a module in my course wherein I'm learning how to do makeup using an airbrush, which is exciting, right? Yeah, you can avail their Friends pro card benefits, 40% off on Friends Beauty, Nigel Beauty, Inglot, Temp2, Anastasia Beverly Hills Beauty Blender, and so many other brands. I think that's an amazing deal. By the way, you can see how I'm applying makeup. The only reason I'm explaining all of this to you details because you guys have been asking me, Priyanka, your makeup game has gone up significantly up, and what are you, where are you taking this course from? So yes, we will discuss more about it in the end of the video. I've used lash curler. I never used to use it before, but you can see how beautiful the base looks. I've mixed two lipstick colors over here. I just love, I am yet to complete my whole certification course, but I'm just so happy with the techniques I've learned. I have become so much better, and I know by the end of this course, while I till the time I get my certification, I will be a master pro makeup artist. I'm going to share some extra benefits about them in the towards the end of this video. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Guys, trust me, this master makeup artist course is a value for money. I love this course.
So guys, let's talk about Online Makeup Academy a little bit. So Online Makeup Academy welcomes students from all over the globe, all across the world, with no minimum age requirement or education qualification, which is an amazing thing. This video is in partnership with Online Makeup Academy, where they gave me a wonderful opportunity to be a pro makeup artist. I'm so happy. I always wanted to pursue makeup as a profession, and now I get that access, and now I can be a pro makeup artist and I can practice on clients and maybe start taking bookings. So yeah, who knows, I might open a makeup artist page very, very soon. Online Makeup Academy has industry accredited instructors. You will also receive a Online Makeup Academy professional hairstylist certification on completion of your course. With lifetime access to makeup videos, professional mentorship and guidance. Guys, I also have a personal tutor who solves out all my doubts and everything. You can take up the course at your own pace, so it's not mandatory that you need to complete it in a certain amount of time. You can take it on your own speed, on your own pace. Whatever time you need to complete the course, you can take it. It's not just a regular makeup artist course, it's an online makeup education course which will give you proper access to, you will learn everything A to Z about skincare, makeup, everything that you need to learn. The course I'm taking, I'm also learning airbrush makeup in that, and working on all skin tones, all skin types, and it's such a detailed course. And I have not completed the whole course yet, but I've seen that there's some hair related, structures or modules in the end of the course, so definitely I'm going to take that as well. So guys, I highly recommend you guys to go ahead and check the link in the description box. You will see all the details you'll get all the details that you want to know. You can check my makeup videos that I've done in the past. You can check my recent makeup videos, and you will figure out the difference and how I'm still learning. There's a lot to learn. I've not finished the module yet, but definitely I'm going to get better from here. So yeah, that is all about today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and yes, definitely if you want to become a makeup artist, you cannot go outside and you cannot enroll for courses outside. I suggest you sit at home, take a course from Online Makeup Academy on your own pace, and they're not expensive at all. I have seen people charging a lot more for a 30 days course, but they have a lifetime master access course, and they charge, the charges are very, very nominal compared to that, and they also have a personal instructor for you. So that is all about today's video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye. Lots of love, hugs and kisses. Stay home, stay healthy, stay safe. I love you all so much. Bye bye.